morning, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Anthony here. I have my morning espresso. Let's get into what happened to Shiba Inu yesterday. Stick around. Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to the Wall Street Bull. Anthony here. I hope you're all doing well. I have my morning espresso. As everyone knows, I love my morning coffee. I can't live without it. Just wanted to say a huge thank you to every single one of you who have subscribed to the channel. It really means a lot to me. This channel has exploded, so thank you very much. If you're new, please make sure you like the video and subscribe. Turn on that little bell notification because I love putting out these videos on a regular basis to document my journey with investing, be it through cryptos, dividend stocks, growth stocks, real estate, passive income, business ideas, all kinds of stuff to help build financial freedom in the future. That's what I love to do, and I hope to do with my investments that I'm doing at the moment. As mentioned, a little disclaimer, I'm not a financial advisor. Please do your own research and due diligence with any of these investments because they can be very volatile and very risky, and I don't want to see anybody out there get financially hurt and lose a lot of money, and that would be the worst outcome. So please do your own research. And by that, I did do a video yesterday on how you can actually do your own research using websites like Masari, Luna Crush, CoinMarketCap. There's a whole range of information out there, be it Twitter, YouTube. There's a whole range of platforms where you can do your own research and educate yourself on what's happening out there in the market and these projects like cryptos and stuff like that, so you can get comfortable when you make your own decision whether to or not to invest in that project. So that's how you do your own research. So check out the video from yesterday. All right, so let's get into today's video, which is on Shiba Inu. Yes, I love talking about this because I believe there's an awesome opportunity from what actually happened yesterday, and I'll get into that in a moment. And I just want to be clear, I'm not affiliated with this coin. It means I'm not getting paid by these people. I do these videos just purely based on my own investment here that I'm doing. So please don't take this as financial advice, and please don't think that I'm trying to promote this product or project. Sorry, I'm not. I'm just investing in it because I believe, from my perspective, that there is an opportunity here that potentially could see some awesome returns just by what's happening in the last couple of weeks and yesterday. So I'll get into this now. Right, so if we go to the news, let's have a look at what happened yesterday, and I'll pull up Cointelegraph because you can see right here, Vitalik burns $7.6 billion of Shiba to reward generous holders. Now, this is awesome news because there was this whole thing where he donated the money, which I quite frankly have no issue with. I don't mind it. There's been a lot of people in the community at the moment who are really pissed off about him doing this, and I don't know. I don't see why people should be annoyed at this. I think it's a good thing, and I think a lot of big institutions and banks and financial hedge funds should be donating to every cause around the world, and helping humanity out. And I think that's a good thing that what Vitalik has actually done. So we'll get into this quickly. Ethereum co-founder Vitalik Buterin has burned nearly half of the supply of popular Dogecoin Doge clone Shiba Inu, SHIB. Right, so in a statement embedded into this transaction on Sunday, Buterin explained why he had decided to burn the $6.7 billion worth of SHIB tokens, emphasizing the generosity of the dog token communities. Hang on, we'll get into this now. So I've actually been impressed by how the dog token communities have treated the recent donations. Plenty of dog people have shown their generosity and their willingness to not just focus on their own profits, but also be interested in making the world a whole better, sorry. I support all who are earnestly doing that. So that's good. The recent dog-themed bull run came to an abrupt end on Wednesday as Buterin liquidated trillions of tokens which he was gifted, and obviously the founders of Shiba Inu gifted him in his public wallet 50% of the actual Shiba Inu tokens, which is unbelievable, by Shiba creators, and donated the proceeds to charity, which I don't have an issue of. The Ethereum co-founder said he had decided to burn the remaining 90% of Shiba tokens in his wallet and allocate the remaining 10% to a charitable cause. So he's still, out of that 50% of the entire holding of Shiba Inu, he's burned 90% of that, and there's still 10% remaining, which he's going to donate to again to another charity, which I don't have a problem with. So he added that charities with similar values as Crypto Relief, an Indian organisation focused on supporting the relief through crypto asset donations, would be considered as a potential recipient. So that's fantastic. I don't mind that. Buterin noted that simply holding the coins entrusted to him was not an option for security reasons, adding that he wanted to avoid the frenzied speculation that could arise from him making transactions using the dog tokens in the future. He also asked people not to donate any more tokens to him, as he did not want to be a locus of power of that kind. The Shiba Inu token prices went ballistic when it was listed on Binance last week amid surging popularity of Dogecoin and other dog tokens, which is true. The surge in the canine-themed meme token trading was blamed for the recent spike in Ethereum network fees, which hit an average all-time high of $70 on Wednesday. Yeah, so that's true. They were very high. At the beginning of writing, SHIB has retreated 7% in the last 24 hours amid the latest crypto crash, triggered by the anti-Bitcoin sentiment expressed by the Twitter account of Elon Musk. Bitcoin has retreated 7%. Okay, blah, 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 blah. So this is, and I, from my point of view, an amazing thing that he's done, because it's actually reduced the total supply of Shiba Inu. And yes, it is a meme coin. It is, basically like a joke. However, that argument can be said about Dogecoin. And, people say to me, oh, you're wasting your money and your time. Well, people said the same thing about Dogecoin. But the only thing different about Dogecoin is that Elon Musk is behind it, the most brilliant-minded bloke on the planet. He's pushing Dogecoin. However, with Shiba Inu, as I mentioned in couple of my earlier videos, there is a lot of private money behind Shiba Inu who have invested in this and who are pushing this out, on social media, all over the internet. There's so much trending popularity with this crypto at the moment, and I believe it's an opportunity. And even more so now that Vitalik has done this, and obviously, he's out. There's not going to be any more rug pulls in terms of 50% liquidity is going to be, pulled out from everybody. That's not going to happen now, because it's just not there. It's been burnt. It's been sent to an address. It is now gone. And I did have the address on here, and I can't remember where it was. It was actually on Decrypt yesterday. I can't actually locate that article. Oh, here we go. Let's have a look here quickly. So Ethereum co-founder has burned 7.6 billion. I've actually found it. So let's have a look here. There is a transaction hash. Let's have a look. Let's just wait for this to load. Etherscan is where you go to look at the top holders of Shiba Inu, because it's on the Ethereum network. Let's have a look here. Success status 1 day and 2 hours ago. Let's have a look here. Here's the contract. Tokens transferred to a wallet that is essentially like no one's wallet, so they're lost forever, so they're gone. So check this out. Where are we here? You can see here $6.7 billion Shiba Inu. You can see there, unbelievable. That amount of money is insane. To be quite honest, I don't know why he's just wasted that money. He could have put it to a good use. I don't know, but in terms of the holders now of Shiba Inu, this is going to be a very positive thing, and I'm sure all of you out there know this. So that's on Decrypt. Check out the article there. You can see it there, which is unbelievable. And again, there's more news here. So there, he actually stated, I've decided to burn 90% of the remaining Shiba tokens in my wallet. The remaining 10% will be sent to not yet decided charity. There was a little note here that he put, hang on a second here. There was a note that he left on the actual transaction he put there. Let's have a look here. I'm not sure if you can see this. Where are you? Here we go. Let's load this up. So he said, I've decided to blah, blah, blah. I've read that. Simply holding the remaining in the X blah, 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 blah. Wallet forever was never an option for security reasons alone. That would have moved a better wallet eventually, and any transaction I would get interpreted as an action, so may as well do the useful thing immediately. So he's done that. I've actually been impressed by the way the dog community has handled this, blah, blah, blah. Plenty of dog people out there have shown, but for anyone making coins or DAOs or whatever else in the future, please do not give my coins or power Please do not give me coins or power in your project without my consent. So he's obviously pissed off that people have done this, and I don't want to be a locus of power of that kind. Better to just print the coins into hands of worthy charity directly, though do talk to them first. So he obviously is not happy that people just gifted him these coins, and I believe he's done this as well as other projects have also sent him tokens from other projects, and I believe he wanted to cut it and stop it there. So that's what's happened in the last day with Shiba Inu. So as far as I'm concerned, I did buy the dip on the weekend. I am holding quite a lot of Shiba Inu right now, and for me it's just going to be a long hold. The total supply has reduced, which is fantastic. On Lunar Crush today, it is still trending as the number one, HOT second, DENT's the third, SafeMoon, we'll get into that in a moment as well, Cardano, XRP, Dogecoin, and Australian Safe Shepherd, are the ones that are trending at the moment. But let's have a look on here. This is really annoying. No, it doesn't want to do that. TradingView doesn't want to work. Here we go. It does. Now, let me change this to night dark mode because it's a lot easier to see this. Okay, so let's have a look in the last minute. Here you can see that the rise has occurred. It did drop down quite a bit, and this is quite hard to do this on the phone, so forgive me. So you can see the dip here, the dip on the 2100 here, and you can see that it's slowly been on the rise. It is quite hard to do this on the phone, but you can see the charts here, and I think it's going to have potential. You can clearly see that over the time it has risen in popularity. It hasn't dropped back to where that initial sell-off of that $1 billion gift went away. So it has been on the rise, and you can clearly see that it did pump up a bit yesterday, obviously pending that news there, but you can see it's slowly moving its way up on the charts. That's a positive thing. I do keep an eye on this quite regularly on my desktop, so I can keep track of what's happening with this. These pop-ups are annoying. I don't know if anyone's a member of TradingView, but anyway, let's have a look on the news today. I'm just going to refresh this. Okay, so New York brothers become overnight millionaires after investing in joke cryptocurrency. Why Ethereum Vitalik Buterin just burned 410 trillion. What I'm trying to say is that there is trending news with this crypto, and when that happens, there is a significant amount of people that are looking at the project, and that's the most important thing with any crypto for that matter. If it's getting public media attention from, whether it be through mainstream media, Twitter, YouTube, Reddit, all that kind of stuff, you've got to take notice of the project. And at the moment, I think it's still got a lot of weight, a lot of potential here with this project. And let's have a look at the price today. It was up this morning. Let's just wait for this. In the last hour, just wait for it to refresh because it has its moment. It's up 2.8% on the hour, which is really good to see. In the last 24 hours, it's down 3%. 7 days, down 53%. 30 days, it's still up 913%. So that's that huge jump up there, and that's when obviously everything consolidated and whatnot. All right, so let's go down here. The market cap today is sitting at $8.5 billion. Circulating supply is 394 trillion SHIB. There are a couple of whales that still hold significant portions of Shiba Inu. So every project is going to have whales, and this is one thing that everyone has to realize. If you're in early enough with any of these projects, and please do your own research with this stuff, but if you're in early enough, of course you're going to have the benefit. So there was always going to be whales in these projects, but I still think there's a lot of room with Shiba Inu. So that's why I'm invested in it. And yes, it's a gamble. I only invest what I can afford to lose. So if I lose it, it doesn't bother me. So that's the principle that I apply with any of my investments. So 1 trillion SHIB in total. Now, obviously, with Vitalik burning 90% of his 50% share of this, that's going to be dropping quite significantly, and all that's going to do essentially is make the price rise because of the limited supply and the demand in the marketplace. So that's the reason why I'm invested in this in Shiba Inu. So that's my update today with Shiba Inu. Let's see what happens in the next couple of weeks with this project. I do keep an eye on their Twitter page here, which is an awesome place. So here we go. PlayCent here, PlayCent developed by payments infrastructure powered by Shib. So there is things happening with the project. There is awesome, future with NFTs as well, and the art side of things, which I love. And just while I'm here, I did jump on Medium to look up some information on who the founder actually was of Shiba Inu. He's an anonymous creator of Shiba Inu, and I came across this Medium article here, and I'll quickly read it just so you can see, and I'll link this down below. Hello, I'm Ryoshi. Who I am is not very important, and in a few moments you'll understand why. I will give you a short background that I'm an independent trader of cryptocurrency for a couple of years and have always fantasized about the genesis of decentralized communities. This article goes on to explain the whole background of what Shiba is, who Ryoshi is, this anonymous creator of Shiba Inu, which is pretty cool. I've been trying to dig up as much as information as I can on Ryoshi, and there's very little out there. Obviously that's done on purpose, I'm not sure why, but similar thing to what Bitcoin is, I guess. In the creator is anonymous. Not much information out there. If you scroll down here, Shiba Army, there's a few links here. So you've got the Telegram, and what do we got here? Ryoshi Research Telegram. There's an email address here. There's an official smart contract, the Uniswap pair, CoinMarketCap, CoinGecko, proof of liquidity, Vitalik ownership, liquidity stock. So there's that. The 25% supply to Vitalik, and a 50% supply to Vitalik. These are what Vitalik didn't like and he got rid of. So this is a whole article on Ryoshi here, the founder of Shiba Inu. So check that out, the Doge Killer. So have a read of it. I'll link it below. If you're not on Medium, it's a really cool place to actually get some information on cryptos as well, by the way. I use this on a regular basis. And by the way, everyone's telling me, posting stuff in the comments about, joining Telegram groups and Discord. I don't promote any of that stuff just because they're just annoying. I don't know if anyone's using Discord at the moment, but every time I've checked, there's like 50,000 people writing in there. It's just useless. You can't even get decent information or talk to people because there's just so many people talking at once. So I don't promote Discords. I don't promote any of that stuff, Telegram groups. So, and also just be careful in the comments, because there's a lot of scammers going on in the comments below here. People are trying to get WhatsApp and stuff like that. So don't do anything of that. Be careful. All right. So let's get into, just quickly while I'm here, SafeMoon today. I watched part of their AMA over the weekend, and that was an absolute disaster. It crashed. I don't know what happened, and there was many issues and a lot of complaints and some bad stuff happening in terms of what their people. I mean, not bad stuff, but like discriminatory stuff. With the person from Gambia, getting on board with SafeMoon now. I'm not sure what's happening in terms of that. They are pushing again their SafeMoon wallet. They're adding people to their team, which is cool. So there's so much excitement around Operation Phoenix. I wanted to recap that we're working ongoing conversations with SafeMoon and Gambia. So they're doing stuff over there with their officers. This is one of these projects I bought into, as I mentioned in the earlier days of my videos here, I've bought into, I'm holding it. I haven't seen any great returns. I've just seen my money sitting there at that level. I haven't seen any returns from SafeMoon at the moment. But there's a lot of stuff going on at the moment with SafeMoon, and I believe it is trending today on Twitter. You can see here, there's a lot of people talking about SafeMoon. He's up 25% since I adopted it. Well, there's a lot of people that have seen some awesome returns because they got in early enough with SafeMoon. If you haven't been one of those people, just be very careful. And as mentioned, only invest what you can afford to lose, because I don't want anyone to get hurt financially out of these projects. But SafeMoon is, I believe it can be great. There's a lot of potential here, but again, I just want to see the utility side of the coin and being pushed out there. And there's still a lot of tokens out there with SafeMoon. It's like the supply is so big. There's a lot that needs to happen to reduce that, and a lot more people that need to get on board as well. So just one to keep an eye on SafeMoon. Let's have a look here. What else we have? Ripple. I did buy into Ripple the other day, and I bought the dip there. So a lot of you have commented on this as well, that you bought in at like 30 or 50 cents. That's incredible. Price is now going through the roof. So if you were lucky enough to get into early enough into Ripple, that I believe this project is going to change the world. Honestly, with Swift and financial banking, it's just going to be mind blowing what's going to happen here. Saturna token is another one I did buy into something small amount into this, but this is an absolute disaster. I don't know what's happening with that project at the moment. I can't even see the value in my trust wallet, so apparently that's going to be listed again. Let's go into CoinMarketCap so I can just check up on my portfolio today while I'm here, because I know I don't want to keep you guys for too long. My watch list, let's go to my portfolio. So today, let's have a look here. Let's wait for it to refresh. Cardano is down 10%, Doge down 4%, XRP is up 4.8%, which is awesome. No, $1.90, which is quite expensive. So those who got in early enough are really lucky. Stellar XLM is down 7.8% today. Theta is up 4%, which is great. $12.64. That is a cheap buy. It's down from when I actually got into it at $14, and it's a good buy at the moment, I believe. Tron is down 4.3%. Shiba Inu is down 4.6%. I love Shiba Inu. I'm into it, and again, I'm not affiliated with them. I just like the opportunity there, purely because what's happening out there and the amount of traction and social presence with Shiba Inu. So that's great. BTT is down 5.5%. Holo HOT is down 4.9%. Theta Fuel down 2%. Digibyte down 8.7%. Seacoin down 7.9%. ANKR is down 4.7%. Reef is another one that I'll do a video on this week, because I just really like the idea of the project, and been watching some interviews with the CEO as well. So I'll do a video on Reef during the week. VTHO is down 8.6%. Win 6%, a great buying opportunity, I believe. SafeMoon is up 2.4%, which is cool. Ukomi, another one I love as well. The NFT market, that's going to change the world in the future. He's down 13%. ETN is down 6%. Acropolis down 5.6%. Moonshot 14.6%. These pancake swap risky investments, so be careful with these ones. Moonshot down 14%. Safe Mars down 7.2%. Bonfire, I love Bonfire, it's down 36%. I did see some great returns, and I'm just holding it for the moment. Elongate down 26%, and NFT Art Finance is down 1.8%. And I'll tell you one that I haven't got in here is VET. That's one I added the other day. So let's add this in here, and done. Selected 26 coins. No, I don't want to do that. I just want to add VeChain. Let me see if that's in there now. Let's scroll down. No, it's not. Don't know why. Let's have a look here. Okay, let's get out of here. Let's cancel this, cancel this, cancel this, cancel this. This is you get alerts as well with pricing on this. So this is a good app to keep track of what's happening out there. And I'm just going to deselect all these. I bet you that's changed my entire portfolio. No, add coins. I just want to add VET. Done. Add 26 coins there. Well, let's see if that updates. VeChain down 9.2%. There it is. So VeChain's another awesome project that I really think has got some awesome potential as well. Sitting at 20 cents. This is unbelievable. I think this is a great opportunity to get into VeChain, VET, available on CoinSpot. And that's the program that I use in the exchange to buy all of these coins. But also one that I'm really interested in is XRP. I keep saying this, and I'm really fascinated, and hopefully that there's a positive outcome for the SEC as well with this case, and I hope this settles. Because apparently when this settles, the price target could be anywhere from $10,000 to $35,000 USD. And if you're holding, 30, you bought in at 30 cents and you're holding like 100,000 coins, and this project gets settled with the SEC and it all becomes positive, and the hedge funds have predicted, or people out there have predicted, this is going to go to $10,000 to $35,000. You all do very well, so you're very lucky. So I'm going to dollar cost average into XRP. It is quite expensive, but the upside is just huge with this, and I think it's really going to change the way banking and financial institutions do banking globally. All right, so that's pretty much it for today. I just wanted to give you an update what happened with Shiba Inu. And again, I think it's an awesome project and opportunity, but please do your own research. Use those websites that I mentioned, Masari, Luna Crush, CoinMarketCap. Go on to the news outlets here, Decrypt and Cointelegraph. Go on YouTube, look them up, look up the CEOs, get familiar with the projects. Go on Medium, do your research on that. and yeah, hopefully we all see some positive returns. So if there's any other projects, please leave them in the comments below, because I love talking about it with every one of you, and it's an awesome community that we are building here. So thank you very much appreciated. Make sure you like the video and turn on the bell notification and subscribe, because that really means a lot. So I'll put up a video tomorrow, and I need to get into dividend stocks as well, because that's one thing I miss, and I haven't stopped either. So dividend stocks will be coming tomorrow, so stick around for that. All right, stay safe. Thank you very much. We'll speak to you soon. Peace. Bye.